This video is created by Redist and this is my first video in this channel. Hi guys, in short, the car owner he came to our workshop complaining that he has a body load problem and has already changed the alternator, but the problem persists. The engine starts using external power, but after 5 minutes the engine shuts down itself due to the load. After connecting the diagnostic device, I noticed that it has a fault related to the load of the battery, that is P1298 ELD voltage high. And now, what we have to do? We have to start the engine to make our diagnosis. After the engine starts, with all the electrical consumers accessories lighting are turned off, I noticed that there is no battery charge. The voltage is low, 12.7 volt. And what is abnormal also is the electric load value is very high, 60 ampere, knowing that the electrical consumers are switched off. So apparently the problem comes from either the electrical load detector or the wires or PCM, powertrain control module. The electrical load detector is located in the fuse box. To check the ELD power supply and the continuity of the wire between the ELD and the PCM, I have to remove the support bar and the air filter and the air intake hose. Just a reminder about the functionality of the system was made to reduce fuel consumption and pollution. And this system is based on a sensor, electrical load detector, that outputs a signal containing the power consumption information to the PCM computer. And the PCM computer controls the alternator according to the needs, battery charge status and power consumption. After the ELD connector is removed, the ignition switch must be placed in the first position by checking the 12-volt power supply and the ground with a test lamp. By checking the 12-volt power supply on the black red wire, it is okay. And also, the ground on the black wire, it is okay. So now, we have to check the signal wire between ELD and PCM. Its continuity must be checked. Removing the two PCM mounting bolts and then its connector. The ELD signal wire is okay. Also checking if there is a short circuit on the positive or ground. No, we confirm that all wires are okay. It is now time to change the faulty ELD. After separating the two latches, push up the ELD. by putting the new ELD while respecting the direction of assembly. Reconnect the ELD connector. Reinstall the support bar and air filter and air intake hose. Reinstall the battery and start the engine by plugging in the diagnostic device. We can finally see the load voltage is normal, 14 volt. All the electrical consumers, accessories and lighting are turned off, and the electric load value is 9 ampere, and this is the normal value. But after the activation of the electrical consumers, accessories and lighting, we will notice the increase of the electric load value up to almost 47 ampere, and this is the normal value.